Hi students, how are you? I hope you are very well in your home. This is our EVS class and welcome to our class. In previous class we have studied about super sense of smell. Smell of ants, dogs and insects. Now we are going to learn about sense of sight. Let's see about birds. Birds have eyes on either side of its head, so they can focus two different things at a time. If it looks straight, they can focus one thing. We have eyes. We can move it from left to right, up and down. But in most of birds, they have fixed eyes. They cannot move their eyes. So they have to move their head to see around. In some birds like vultures, eagles, they can see from far away. They can see from a distance of 8 kilometers what we can see from a distance of 2 kilometers. So they can see from far away. Next, we have to learn about hearing, sense of hearing. We have ears to hear. But in most of animals, they have no external ears. Lizard, example, lizard, they have no external ears. Some animals have big ears. Some animals have small ears. There is a relation between the size of ears and hearing. If we have big ears, we can hear better. Snakes. Snakes have no external ears. They can feel the vibrations on the ground. Next, lingos. Lingos, a kind of monkeys. They give some warning call to others about dangers like tiger or leopard. They can give some special sounds as warning call to others about danger. Some birds have also some warning call to others about danger. They have different sounds about different danger. Some fishes can give some electric signals. Dolphins also give some sounds as messages. These are the hearing of animals. Now we are going to learn about sleeping time. Sleeping time of lizard. In winter season we cannot see any lizard in our home because they go for a long sleep at winter to escape from cold. Next, sloth. Sloth is like a bear. And it spends almost 17 hours for sleeping while hanging upside down on a tree branch. It eats the leaves of the tree that it leaves. It's the sleeping time of sloth. They eat enough leaves from a tree and it moves another tree. In this diagram, you can see the daily routine of sloth. Sleeping and walking time of sloth. It's a diagram of 24-hour clock. In this diagram, we can see sloth sleeps 18 hours. And you have a work to find out the sleeping time of cow, python, giraffe and cat. You can find it. Now, let's learn about tigers, our national animal. A tiger can see 6 times better at night than most of us. A tiger's whiskers are very sensitive and it can sense the vibrations or movements in air. It helps them to find its prey. Its hearing is so sharp, so it can make out the difference between rustling of leaves and the sounds of animals moving on the grass. It can move its ears in different directions, so it catches the sounds from all around. They can make different sounds for different purposes. If it's angry or to call its tigress, they make different sounds. Its road heard up to 3 kilometers. And they can mark their area by its urine. They at once know about if another tiger in its area. They avoid to go others' area. It's okay. At the tigers are in danger. The number of tigers and other animals in our country is reducing. We call them endangered animals. So our government has made some forests as protected areas as national parks. People who kill animals for horn, skin and tusk. The people who kill animals are called poachers and hunters. Let's wind up our class and I give you a work. List out the names of national park in India. Okay? Thank you.